In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Power Automate. First, open your browser and go to make.powerautomate.com, then sign in with your Microsoft account. If you see an option to choose a workspace or environment, pick the one where your files and lists live so your connectors line up with the right data. Next, select Create on the left. Here you'll choose the type of flow you need. Automated cloud flows start on their own when something happens, like when a new file is created. Instant cloud flows run when you press a button. Scheduled flows run on a timetable, such as daily or weekly. And desktop flows are for automating actions on Windows apps. Every flow begins with a trigger. Use the search box to find one that matches your scenario. For example, choose SharePoint when an item is created, Microsoft Forms when a response is submitted, Outlook when a new email arrives, or Recurrence if you want a scheduled start. After you pick the trigger, select Create, then fill in any required details and confirm the connection if asked. Now add actions. Click New Step and search for what you want the flow to do. You can send an email, create a file, update an item, get items for a list, start an approval, or post a message in Teams. You can chain several actions together, and each step can use information from the steps before it. That's where dynamic content comes in. Dynamic content is the data coming from your trigger or earlier actions. If your trigger is when an item is created, you can drop fields like title, created by, date, or ID directly into subject lines, file names, or message bodies. Click into any field and use the panel on the right to insert the values you need so your flow responds to real data instead of static text. Add conditions if you want branching logic. Choose condition as a new step and define the rule, such as status equals approved. In the yes branch, send an approval email. In the no branch, send a rejection email. Each branch can include as many actions as you need. When your design is ready, save and test. Click Save, then Test. Perform the action that should start the flow, like submitting a form or creating a list item. After the run completes, open the run history to review each step. Green checkmarks indicate success, and any failures show where to adjust fields, mappings, or permissions. Once your test passes, you've built a reliable automation you can reuse and expand.